So there is a very big myth, specifically among the first year college students, or you can say freshers. What is that? That is, suppose I'm a software developer placed in a company X at a package of, you can say, 24 LPA. So I would be getting an amount of 24 divided by 12, that is 2 lakhs per month in my bank account. Is it really true? No, definitely not. So there are a lot of myths regarding the CTC that the company provides. And most of the freshers falls into this trap that they get fascinated by the package that most of the private colleges puts on their wordings with a name of CTC. So in my opinion, for private colleges, the CTC is one of their biggest thing of marketing to attract the students, you can say. So in this video, we will be focusing on what actually the CTC is. Is it really true that you are getting the exact amount just by dividing it by 12? Or what exactly the amount a software developer actually gets? What are the conditions? What actually the CTC is? So we will be talking about that in detail. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So hey guys, it's Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating thing to our fresher, that is CTC, because that is something that they hear most of the times, that my college senior has cracked a CTC of 64 LPA, 50 LPA, something like that. So what is the exact amount they are earning monthly? Okay, that is a good thing that you should be knowing, so that you can have a clear view about what your future is going to be, how much money you are actually going to earn, instead of just going blindly and saying, okay, that I earn this amount of money. So not exactly like that. So first of all, what actually the CTC is? So the full form of CTC is cost to company, means what actually the company have to spend to get that particular candidate into their company, means how much your cost is to the company. Suppose when the company says that that particular company is hiring me at a package of 24 LPA, a CTC of 24 LPA, then that includes a base package, health insurances, bonuses, stocks of the company, and a lot more things. So that varies company to company. So first and the most clear thing, whenever you hear about CTC, just ask what actually the base package is, because that is the amount that you would be dividing by 12 and you would be getting into your bank account monthly, and that too without tax. I am saying, okay, if you have a base package, suppose 12 or 14 or 15 LP, then you would come in big tax slabs in the country or like India. So you would have to pay around 25, 20 or 30% of your income to the government monthly as income tax. So that too you have to keep in mind. Okay, so for now just leave it, because that is a big picture. Let's leave that on finance side. So what I was saying is, if you hear about anyone who is cracking a good CTC, or you think that that is an amazing package, and if that guy has 60 LPA package, then how much he would be earning? That is true that he would be earning a good amount of money, but most of the times the candidate do not get as much good amount of money as it is written in the CTC. Okay, so first thing, whenever you hear about CTC, just ask what the base package is, or focus on the base package. Suppose you are getting a mail from a company and that is offering a package of 20 LPA, and so just go on and focus on what actually the base package is, because that is the actual amount you would be getting initially. And what are the other parameters? So where is the other thing? Suppose I had a package of 24 LPA and company is providing the base package of 15. So where is the rest of the amount? Where is that 5 plus 4, 9 lakhs? Okay, so where is that amount? So let me tell you in detail. That amount, that 9 lakhs, the company breaks down that into 2 to 3 components. Suppose one is your health insurance, that they will provide you a health insurance of 2 LPA, means whenever you would be having a health problem, or anyone in your family having a health problem, they would be paying the money from that amount. So this is what is the health insurance generally. But this health insurance, very few companies provides that. I have really heard about this, but it's just I wanted to tell you that, okay, this is also included in few companies. And the third thing is bonus. So what is the bonus? Bonus is something that depends completely on your performance. Okay, it is performance oriented completely. So suppose you are an intern in a company, and suppose you are new to the company, and the company has offered you that package of 24 LPA, and in that they have a component of 15 base. You can say 2 LPA of health insurance or something like that, and then 4 to 5 lakhs of your performance bonus. So that depends completely on your performance, as I said. So when would you get that amount? That amount you would be getting by the end of the year. Okay, based on your how much benefits you have provided to the company, how much punctual you were, and how much work you have done to the company, and are you beneficial to the company or not. So there are a lot of parameters, there are a lot of things. I would not go into that, and you can research, you can ask your seniors about that. And yeah, if you are in a company, then you can talk to your seniors about what actually the conditions are in your company. So that varies in company to company. Okay, the third parameter we can say is performance bonuses. That is generally in most of the companies it happens. In my company also, suppose I have a package of 17 LP, so I have a base package of 14 plus the rest 3 is my performance bonus. So I have just 2 components. That's it. So yeah, it happens. in most of the companies, that is performance bonus. So fourth and the final thing that I think that is the most important, and that is quite beneficial. I am not saying that if you have a base package of, suppose when I was giving an example of 24 LP and the base package was 15, then you would be getting only 15 divided by 12. No, you would be getting a better amount than that, but you would be getting it year on year. Okay. In most of the big tech companies like Paying, you can take example of any company. They provides a good amount of stocks to the candidate. Suppose the company provides the stocks worth rupees 2 lakhs, or if they comes in dollars USD. So they provides them to the candidate, and they provide the stocks within a span of 3 to 4 years. So if you are someone who goes to the company and leaves the company in 1 year, then it would be of no benefit for you, because you would be getting only 10% or 20%. That depends whereas company to company. So they releases the stocks in percentage wise, means first year 10%, then 20%, then 40%, and then rest of that, something like that. So in this manner, they releases the stocks so that candidate stays with the company for a longer duration, and that is beneficial for you also, because if you are working with big tech companies like Facebook or Microsoft, then obviously their stocks will grow, man. So within a span of 4 years, you would be having a decent amount of money in your bank account by selling these stocks. Okay, so this is the one of the most important component, and most of the candidates makes a huge amount of money with the help of this. That is the stocks of the company. I remember in my college this time the Zscaler company came and they offered a CTC of 19.5, and they had just base package of 9 LP. Okay, and the rest of the things, I think 10,000 USD or something like that, I don't remember it completely, they were offering that as stocks. So initially they would be making a lesser amount of money than me, but in a bigger picture they would have a good amount of money. Okay, so if the company grows, then they can sell these stocks, and yeah, they would be very, very happy, I think. So this is the clear picture of what actually a CTC is. So CTC is a very big thing. It is not exactly the amount of money you get just by dividing it by 12 in your bank account. So don't get yourself fooled for such things, and you should have a clear understanding of such things, because if you are preparing for SD roles or software development roles and you are a fresher, then you should have knowledge about these, because having a good understanding will help you to negotiate better and to grab better opportunities, because it happens most of the time that the CTC is very big, but they include that in performance bonus, and no company provides the entire amount of the performance bonus. Okay, suppose I have a performance section of 3 lakhs, then company would provide me only 1 to 2 lakhs depending on my performance. It's not always like they would provide you all the 3 lakhs. Okay, just take, you are so awesome. It never happens like that. So don't be fooled. You should have a clear understanding of all the things. So if you like this videos, then don't forget to drop a like. If you have any doubt, then you can definitely ask me in the comment sections, and you can follow me on socials as well, and I will be getting the next video. Till then,